Here we have the Stago HM15/2, which is a twin head stapler system, heavy duty. It's foot pedal operated. And I'll show you how to use the machine. You can do pad stapling and also saddle stitch stapling. So some examples here. You can do thick pads like these ones, or slightly thinner pads, as well as saddle stitching for booklets. So at the moment we've got pad stapling of 64/12 staples, which will take about 8mm size work. So you've got the on-off switch, you've got safety guards front and side, and you've also got adjustable side lays at the front and on the back for the depth. So all you do is insert your work. It will not operate when the guard is up, so that has to be down to activate the safety switch. Like so. So again, you can have adjustable margin depth by the side lays at the back. So that is pad stapling. I'll now show you how to change the staple loading capacities. So you just simply take the staples out, and now we're going to put 64/8, which are slightly smaller, and then you just click them back into position. Now of course, if you're going from flat, you need to go to a saddle stitch, which you just gently turn the screws underneath the machine to create a saddle. You can take these side lays off, slide off like so. Bring the guard down, and you can adjust these guards to whatever thickness you're doing. So I'll just show you a quick example in saddle stitch mode, like so. So it's a heavy duty bit of kit, and ideal for thick pad stapling as well as saddle stitch. That's the Stago HM15/2, now available.